Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava app. You click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you are scrolling down until you find this window of Strava and you click here. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Strava app. And if you find update here, then you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.